Hello and welcome back to Top End Entertainment. It's me, James, and I got a question for everyone. Is everyone liking the content? Comment down below on all that. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. What do y'all like seeing? Are y'all liking the content? And what type of content do you like? Just comment below. Take a moment right now. Stop. Pause the video. There we go. Click the little comment button and comment what you want. You're not gonna miss anything. Okay, you did that? Good. Okay. On today's episode, we're gonna work on the chainsaw. It quit working on me, so we're gonna get down in the barn and we're gonna figure out what's going on with it. All right, we're down at the barn and and I gotta clean off my desk real quick. I say this every time I go down to the barn. I have to clean up my barn, my shop. This is where I do my work. And I do a lot of work, and it's always messy. So I gotta clean. Alrighty, everyone. What we're going to be working on today is the chainsaw. Quit working on me. And what we have is Shihl. I'll show you. It's a Shihl MS271. Got an 18-inch bar on it. And it's not wanting to start. It actually quit on me while I was doing some work on that last video we had done. So I'll show you what it's, well, it just don't start. So full choke. Nothing. That was half choke. And just on position. And this chainsaw usually starts up first go. So we'll be working on that today. Is that a better angle? I'm learning, y'all. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the bar. I put it in the clamp. Boom. Put it in my clamp. Okay. Boom. And then and I don't have my tool down here. What we've done is you can do those two. This plastic cover comes off, and then we'll take the bar off. And covers off. 2 bolts, you know, boom. And then we'll just pop the chain off. No, I can't do that while recording because I'm not that smart. All right. Hey, chain comes off. Bolt. Whoops. Take the 2 nuts. And put them in a little plastic. Push it to the side. That makes it easier. And then get a big flathead. It's a flathead. The other one, the plus side, the plus sign one, that's a Phillips. So we got a flathead, and then take off 1, 2, can y'all see? Yeah, 2, and then 3 bolts, and then and anyway, that's the inside guts of it all. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the spark. We're gonna see if it's getting spark. And how you do that is easy. Yeah, everyone can see me. Anyway, I'm gonna do the plug. That's a spark plug. Y'all can see that. Boom. It's not fouled, so we're gonna test the spark. And this is gonna be hard to record. So anyway, I put the plug, the boot, whatever you want to call it, coil wire, whatever, back on the spark plug, and I'm gonna ground it out to the metal and pull the pull start and see if it's getting any spark. Okay, so we got spark. So now I got to figure out what else is wrong with it. Alright, everyone. That took me a little bit. As you can see, I took the side cover plate, which... Oh yeah, I got to put that back. I got to put that back, but... what I did is this. Ooh, crap. I'm lose the bolt. Okay. That is the coil. That is the thing that makes a spark. So that was all gummed up. I brushed it off. I can hardly see that. Anyway, that sits down in here. That's 2 metal tabs on the side. And as it spins around, it's got magnets. So you can see them right there. Those are magnets. Anyway, spins around and generates the spark to fire off. Okay, so anyway, I cleaned the points up as best I can, and we're gonna put it back and see whether that works. All right, rule of thumb when placing an armature, a coil, or anything like that on small engines, you have to space it. You have to gap it. There has to be a gap. That way it generates power. It can't be touching. It can't be too far. It's got to generate. Anyway, rule of thumb is a kind of like a postcard size. I think it's like 1/10,000th. Like anyway, you can take a paper, regular old paper, okay, and then fold it in half, and that should be about the size of the spacing gap. And the gap I'm talking is where'd it go? So this gap. Right here. See that gap right there in between that and the flywheel? So that's got to be gapped right. So you put that paper in there, and then as you put your bolts in first, and then make sure it's loose and it can move back and forth, right? Then you place that in there, and then once you tighten it to get it out, you spin it as you're pulling the paper out. But that's a quick little rule of thumb, some backwoods education. Alright, that was long, but I finally fixed it. Cleaned the carburetor, all that good stuff. Checked the fuel, checked the ignition. That right there is a pain in the butt, getting the carburetor out, just FYI. But anyway, starts up. That was long and excruciating. I'm tired, and I don't like messing around with small engines, a lot of tight spaces. My fingers get cramped. Oh, look at that. Just not saying that. Hey, look at that blood. Anyway, yeah, I better clean that before it gets oil and stuff, everything in there. Yeah, I'm done. I'm tired. Go wash up and have a good evening. See ya.